Good morning, students. Today we are going for chapter 1, the Union Legislature or the Union Parliament. In India, there is two type of the houses in Union Parliament. One is Lok Sabha and another is the Rajya Sabha. You know that why the federal setup in India? Because in a federal system of government, all the administrative powers are divided between central and state government. Some of the reasons or importance of the federal setup. First, India is a large country. Present time there is 28 states and 9 union territories. Now India is saved from separatist forces fighting for fragmentation. It means in India different types of the peoples with different religions live in India. Now Supreme Court is the head of them. It stands at the head of judiciary to safeguard the distribution of powers. You know that regions, the Union Parliament, how it is consist. Basically, the Union Parliament, it is consist of the two houses, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Here, Lok Sabha is denoting that it is the house of the peoples because the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the peoples of India. Terms 5 years is for the Lok Sabha and the government enjoy 5 years. In emergency, it extend for 1 year at the time. Composition, total number of members 552. Now here 530 members represent the state and 20 members they represent from union territories and 2 members are nominated by the President of India. Qualification, firstly it should be Indian citizen, at least 25 years age. He should not be an insolvent. He should not hold any office of profit under the government. Disqualification of members on the basis of impeachment. If he is of unsound mind, stand declared by the competent court. If he hold any office of profit, then he out of the office. If he is not a citizen of India, has voluntarily acquired citizenship of a foreign state or is under an acknowledgement, if he is so disqualified by under any law made by the parliament. When the vacation of seats of Lok Sabha member, if a member given resign his seat by writing the speaker without permission of the house, absent for all the meeting of the period. Now see there some of the parliamentary procedure: 0 session, quorum, interpellation, legislative procedures, motions. What do you know about the session? Session means each house shall meet at least twice in a year, and there are 3 sessions: budget session, February May, monsoon session, July August, and winter session, November December. Quorum, it means 1/10 member to be present to transact the business or meeting in the house. Question hour, it means that the first hour of every day, it is known as the question hour. Now present time, the speaker, its name is Om Birla. The speaker also appointed by the members of the Legislative Assembly. Here there is the deputy speaker. In absence of the speaker, deputy speaker who perform the duties of the speaker. Function of the speaker, basically business of the house, it means that the speaker have the power to decide the meeting of the both houses, and all the bill passed by the house are signed by the speaker. In this picture you have to be seen business of the house, administrative function, parliamentary committees and disciplinary functions. Here disciplinary function, it means that the speaker maintain the discipline in the house. It have the power, the speaker decide whether there is a case of matter relating to a breach of the privilege or contempt of the house. Parliamentary committee, it means that a speaker is the ex officio chairperson of the committee of the house. Miscellaneous function, he preside over the conference of presiding officer of the legislative bodies in India. Now second is the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is known as the permanent house. 250 members are maximum strength of Rajya Sabha, and 12 members are nominated by the president. You have to be seen procedure of the election. The member of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the electoral college. It means both of the member Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, these members, they represent, give their vote to represent the members. Here how the election of the Rajya Sabha members. Rajya Sabha are elected by the electoral members or legislative assembly. Rajya Sabha is a permanent house, but 1/3 of the total member of the house retire every 2 years. Qualification, it means that he should be Indian citizen, at least cross the 30 years age, he should not be insolvent. Disqualification of member, VC or vice president is the ex officio chairperson of Rajya Sabha. In case of tie, he give their vote or casting the vote. Power and function of the Rajya Sabha. Firstly, Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha in important matters like impeachment of the president, removal of the vice president, constitutional amendments and removal of the Supreme Court judge. Legislative powers of the Union Parliament or Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Now here all bills rather than money bills can originate in the house of the parliament. No bill become law unless agreed by the both houses. Matter in the union list, there are 97 subject. Matter in the concurrent list, 47 subject. And residuary power, it means that union list, state list and concurrent list, the parliament have the power. It means that it make law with respect of all these matters. Ordinance. Here all ordinance must be put up before the house of the approval. Power during emergency, it means that the parliament become the legislature of the state concurrent and assume all powers including the financial power passing the state budget.